Hi students, welcome back to our class. Today we are in the class grade 10 mathematics and we are learning quadratic equation. Okay, see that day I have remembered I have explained you the concept like ax square plus bx plus c. Here this is a quadratic equation because like the highest degree of
Yes,
this
sir.
variable is 2, right? And also to solve this like a kind of quadratic equations we used to follow that splitting middle terms, that is factorization method, and we are going for completing square method, and we are going for quadratic formula method. Okay, quadratic square method, like a completing square method, we don't have the method because they have removed the topic, and graphical method also which we have, we can do that. And coming to the textbook, that day we are discussing about the concept of like two examples, John and Jivanti, and a cottage industry. This one, say we were learning these concepts. Now, the upcoming that topic, if you see that exercise, like example two, if you look that one, they will give the situation is they'll give the like one example. They'll ask us to check whether it's a quadratic equation or not. What is that? Check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. See, please remember the thing. Check whether the quadratic equations or not. Please, the quadratic equation always, which will be in the form of like maybe in terms of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Maybe in terms of y also. So, which will be ay square
Yes,
plus
sir.
by plus c. So, it can be anything. The highest degree of the variable should be 2. If it is more than degree or less than the degree, if it is there, x square is absent. If x square is absent, then that is not a quadratic equation. If x square is present, even the
Yes,
more
sir.
than the degree, if it is there, that is also not a quadratic equation. Okay, there are the series of the questions are given. Let us go for the series of questions, then we'll solve this one. Then we'll try to understand the other content. Okay, fine. Now come back to this content. Okay, come to this one, this part. Check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. Okay, let us take the first one. See, the first one, x minus 2 whole square plus 1, which is equal to 2x minus 3. X minus 2 whole square plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. See, first of all, what we know that let us apply x minus 2 whole square. Then it is looking like a minus b whole square. So, x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 1, which is equal to 2x minus 3. Then you try to do this one simplification on the left side, x square minus 4x, 4 plus 1, 5, and carry these terms also the other side. Then minus 2x plus 3. Then we will get it x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to
Yes,
0.
sir.
So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c.
BS plus C is equal to 0.
Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And also it is having one term, highest term, that is x square term. So it is
Sir,
a
it
part.
is in minus term, no?
Yes, please. It's a quadratic.
Sorry, sir, it is written minus 6. So how it will be AX plus BX?
See, thing is that it should be in the form. Should be in the form of that one.
Okay, sir.
B value can be because A and B are belongs to R, real numbers. Can be positive, can be negative, doesn't matter. But it should be in the form of generally ax square plus bx plus c. Are you clear? Now go for the second one. X into x plus 1 plus 8, which is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. Okay, this question. What you are supposed to do this one? Let us open the bracket, the left side. It will be x square plus x plus 8. Then it is a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. See, both sides see the x square coefficient. X square here is positive and here also positive. Both will be cancelled. Now, x plus 8. Further, if you simplify, this minus 4 also please carry, which is 4 is equal to 0. Which you could say x plus 12 is equal to 0. Here, it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c because the coefficient, the term x square is absent. X square term is not there. So, then what you could say, this is not a quadratic equation. Then we'll take the second one. Sorry, third one, x into 2x plus 3. If you take it x into 2x plus 3, which is equal to x square plus 1. This you try to simplify. So now solution, if you see, similarly you open the open the bracket x into 2x square plus 3x, which is equal to x square plus 1. This all the terms bring on one side, and 2x square plus 3x minus x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Then 2x square minus x square plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. X square plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. What you could say, it is a quadratic equation because it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So this is a quadratic equation. Next, last one. X plus 2 whole cube is equal to x cube minus 4. See, if you see here, this is a plus b whole cube formula.
Yes, sir.
A plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, a cube, x cube, b cube, 2 cube, 8 plus 3a square b, 3 into x square into 2 plus 3ab square, x into 2 square, which is equal to x cube minus 4. Both sides x cube cancel. Now 8, 3 to the 6x square, then 2 square, 4 3 are 12, 12x, and that minus 4 also please carry this. So plus 4 is equal to 0. Then it will become 6x square plus 12x plus 12, which is equal to 0, which is also in the form of ax square plus bx plus c.
Plus c is equal to 0.
So therefore this is also a quadratic equation. Clear? So now come back to the
Yes, sir.
textbook. See what we have learned from here. See, check whether the following quadratic equations or not. See, we have tried to do that one simplification, and we are trying to bring the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If we are failed to bring that, then we can conclude that one, yes, the given equations are not quadratic equations. We can say that. Next, similarly, see this many, so many other. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. All are same models, right? Say x plus 1 whole square. You have to expand a plus b whole square is equal to 10, right? These are all same models. Okay. One last one question. This model I'll do this one. Okay, because everything is same. Is it okay? Or shall I give you 2 3 sums? Shagun?
Sir, give us 2 3 more.
Fine. Okay. Then I'll go for that. Okay. I'll select from that. See, first one I'm skipping. This one, these two I'm removing that one. Third and fourth also I'm not taking. Then fifth, sixth is okay. 7 and 8 I'll give you.
Okay, sir.
Probably last questions are tough questions. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
see the left side. This one, if you see, this also to be simplified. If you simplify, you open the bracket 2x into x minus 3. 2x into x minus 3 minus 1 into x minus 3. Similarly, x into x minus 1 plus 5 into x minus 1. So multiply 2x into x, 2x square minus 6x minus 1 into x minus x plus 3, which is equal to x into x square minus 6, then 5x minus 5, then 2x square minus 7x plus 3, which is equal to x square minus x plus 5x, 4x minus 5. Now you try to bring all these terms this side. When you bring all those terms on this side, then it will be very easy to solve it. See, 2x square minus 7x plus 3, then minus x square minus 4x plus 5, which is equal to 0. Then 2x square minus x square, then minus 7x minus 4x minus 11x plus 3 plus 5, 8 is equal to 0. So yes, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So then what you could say, it is a quadratic equation, right? Got it, ma? Next, one more question. I'm taking this one. X plus 2 whole cube, which is equal to x into x square minus 1. This if I'm taking now. Say x plus 2 whole cube. It is a plus b whole cube. So a cube, which is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square. It means x square into b plus 3ab square. 3ab square. 3 into x into b square. 2 square, which is equal to which is equal to 2x into, open the bracket, 2x into x square, 2x cube minus 2x. Then what you can write it? You try to simplify. X cube plus 2 cube 8. Then 3 to the 6, 6x square plus 3 4 2 square, 3 4 12x, which is equal to 2x cube minus 2x. Now if you see x cube coefficient is 2, here x cube coefficient is x. So but this is smaller. So this all the terms try to carry here. Okay, 0 is equal to 2x cube minus 2x minus x cube minus 6x square minus 12x minus 8. Then when you are trying to simplify 2x cube minus x cube, which is x cube, then 2x, 12x minus 14x minus 6x square minus 8, which is equal to 0. Here, x square term is there, as well as along with that x cube term also there. So whenever we are talking about like a quadratic equation, the highest term only should be x square, should not be any other thing. So here, other terms also there. So then what do you say? This, it is not a quadratic equation. Next,
Yes, sir.
one more question. Then here also, then what are you trying to do? Expand it. See the left side nothing to do because already it is expanded. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. Okay. Then here x minus 2 whole cube. Then what you can write it? X cube a cube minus b cube minus 3 a square into b plus 3 ab square x into 2 square. Then x cube. See x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1, which is x cube. Then here minus 3 2 minus 6x square. Then 3 4 12x minus 8. Now if you see both sides, x cube term is same, so constant. Then minus 4x square minus x plus 1 and minus 6x square 12x minus 8. And here minus 4 minus 6. Here numerically 6 is big. Forget about my negative and all. 6 is big. Then when you bring minus 6 the other side, it will become plus 6. Then is easy to subtract it. Then 6x square minus 4x square, then minus 12x, then here minus x, then plus 8, and here plus 1, which is equal to 0. Then 6x square minus 4x square, which is 2x square, minus 13x plus 9, which is equal to 0. It is also in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Therefore, this is also a quadratic equation. Got it, ma? Next, one more question. Represent the following situation in the form of a quadratic equations. Is asking us to write only quadratic equation. Say the area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. So let us take it. See, let us go for the rectangle. See the area which he said is 528 meters square. See which we know that length. This is called breadth. So the length of the plot is one more than twice the breadth. So let us assume length is x or breadth is x. Your wish. The length is y. Your wish. Doesn't matter. Whatever you are going to take, it doesn't matter. Here x, this is y, whatever it is. But here, length of the plot. See, length of the plot which is more than one more than twice to its breadth. It means 1 plus breadth we took it as x, so 2x. This is y is equal to 1 plus 2x. Actually, the area formula, when you see that one, area is equal to x into y or L into b, whatever, x into y or L into b. So then area from the question, it is given 528. So area is equal to 528. So length into breadth. So length into breadth, which is x into y is equal to 528. Then x is as it is, okay. Y stands for 1 plus 2x, which is 528. You may ask me, sir, can I write it x in terms of y? No problem. You can write x in terms of y. We need a quadratic equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, or ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Anything can be possible. Now open the bracket. See, 2x square plus x. Then this 528 also, please carry this side. So minus 528 is equal to 0. So which is also in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So then it is representation. Have you understood? Vaibhav?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Okay, next question. What is it? The product of two consecutive numbers. The product of two consecutive positive integers. Consecutive positive integers. See, let the number is x, and its conjugate definitely will be x plus 1. In this, no doubt. One is x, another one is x plus 1. Okay, now what you are going to do? The product of two consecutive numbers. So product, given that product is equal to x into x plus 1. See, according to the textbook, according to the question, the product is 306. So multiply, open the bracket, x square plus x, and 306, please carry minus 306, which is equal to 0. X square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. This is it. Right? Next one. See, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Rohan's mother. Okay. So now here, age factor. So let us take age of mother, age of Rohan. See, age of mother is depends upon the Rohan's age. So now Rohan age and his mother's age. See, at present and future. At present and future. See, at present, what is it? Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Let Rohan's age is x years. Mother's age will be 26 plus x. Or x plus 26, whatever it is. The product of their ages, the product of age is 3 years from now. So his age will be x plus 3 and her age will be 29 plus x. From now it will be 360, the product of them. So multiply x plus 3 into x plus 29 or 29 plus x, whatever you can write it, which is equal to 360. Then open the bracket, x into x plus 29 plus 3 into x plus 29, which is equal to 360. Multiply x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 3 into 29. 3 9s are 27, 387. So which is equal to 360. Then here x square plus 32x, then 360 minus 87. 360 minus 87, which is 273. This is. So this is a quadratic equation. Then further we can solve it to get the values of x. And ages. We would like to find the Rohan's present age. We have to formulate, that's all. Next, another question now. Are you understanding, ma? Vaibhav?
Yes, sir.
And another one, Harshit.
Harshit.
Could you understand, ma, Harshit? Right. A train travels at a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. So the train travels 480 kilometers. So from one place to another place, there is a 480 kilometers distance at a uniform speed. Okay. If the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Can you help me in this? Anybody? Can you help me? Anybody?
Sir.
Can you help me? Anybody? How to do? Distance is 480 kilometers, ma. Okay. So now I'm going to explain you. Let the speed of the train let the speed of the train is x kilometer per hour. Then useful time taken, which we know distance by velocity, which is 480 by x. This is a useful time taken t1. Now, if it is like 8 kilometer per hour less, so then it will take 3 hours more. So new if speed is less, if speed is less, then the time t2 is equal to what I could say 480 by x minus 8. Got it, ma? Got it, ma? Which is 480 by x and 480 by x minus 8. Did you understand? Can you reply? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now time taken, this one, time 1, time 2. Now which time is more? Which time is more, ma? T2 or T1? Which time is more? T2 or T1?
Sir, T1.
T2. T2 minus T1, which will
T1.
be 3 hours. Because the speed is less.
Okay, sir.
Speed is going to come down. So that is the reason. Then it takes time more. So then T2 is more. So then what you can write it? 480 by x minus 8 and 480 by x, which is equal to 3 hours. Now we can do like LCM, x into x minus 8, then 480 into x minus 480 into x minus 8, which is equal to 3. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Then see this 480 into x, 480x minus 480x plus 480 into 8. How much? 480 into 8. Multiply 480 into 8. How much more?
Sir.
Is it 3840?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then 3 into x minus 8. Got it? Then this 480x cancel. Then 3840, which is equal to 3 into x multiply x square minus 8x. Then 3 table we can cancel. You see here. 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 eights are 0.
3 8 sir. 0.
So 1280 is equal to x square minus 8x. So from here, the final equation, what you can write? X square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
So what we are trying to do, we are trying to write in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. We can write it. So have you understood this one? First exercise.
Yes, sir.
So next. Okay, 1 second. Okay. So shall we do some sums? Or we'll do splitting middle terms. After learning the splitting middle terms, then we'll do this all. Wait. Okay, come back to this one. Solution of a quadratic equation by factorization method. See, by factorization
Yes.
method we used to do that is splitting middle terms. Splitting middle terms we are doing that one. So we learned in the polynomials, no problem. Then this one 2x square minus 5x plus 3. So 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Let us take this question now. See, we are going to find the roots of this equation. That they might ask you solve. Solve. So solve in the sense we are supposed to find the value of x. Then 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Please remember always there should be in descending order. Powers should be in descending order. Powers can be increasing order, descending order. But don't write it as a zigzag. If you take it as zigzag, then the answer cannot become. So multiply 2x square into 3, 6x square. Then you have to take the factors 1 into 6, 2 into 3, 3 into 2, again repetition. So you have to choose a pair which will be satisfied the 5. So from this question, now we could say that 2x square and minus 2x and minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now here 2x could be take out common, 2x if you take it x minus 1, and here minus 3 if you take it like carefully observe, minus 3 when you take it here x, and from here if you take it minus 1 which is equal to 0. Again once again you check it out, 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into 1, 2x, and minus 3 into x, minus 3x, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3, like that. And in this both x minus 1 is common, so you please take it out x minus 1. When you take it out x minus 1, then what you will get 2x minus 3 which is equal to 0. Then which is equal to 0, so separately you make it equal to 0. So x minus 1 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. What is that? X minus 1 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then what you can get, x equal to 1 or x equal to 3 by 2. Have you understood? This is what?
Yes, sir.
This is normally we are writing as factorization method. So splitting middle terms we are doing. Next. Same way. This also splitting middle terms. Okay, this type of questions. Say find the roots of this one. Say same thing, you multiply first and last. When you multiply 3 2s are 6, 6x square will become. So far we are taking only rational numbers. Now maybe irrational terms also will become. Here is 2 root 6. So 2 root 6, how it is possible? 3 2s are 6. So then, can you tell me how it could be possible? So shall we take root 6 and root 6 or any other number? Okay. See, 3 and 2, when you multiply 6x square, but here irrational term we have. So then what you can write it? 3x square. Then 2 root 6x, we can write as root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct what I'm doing? So what is common in this both?
Sir, 56x.
I didn't get you. 3x. What is common, man? Are you confused?
Yes, sir.
Why? There is simple thing, right?
Sir, 56x.
Look, 3x square we can write it as root 3x whole square.
Root 3x.
Then root 6 we can write it as root 3 into root 2x.
Yes,
Then
sir.
here also, what we can write it? Root 2 into root 3.
Root 2 into 3x.
Then root 2 whole square, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is common in this both?
Root 3.
Root 3x, right? So when you
Yes,
take
sir.
x minus root 2, am I right?
Yes.
Minus in this root 2, if you take it out, root 3. Sorry, here root 3, one more root 3 will be there, right? Right, root 3x minus root 2. Am I right, ma? Which is equal to 0. Am I right, children?
Yes, sir.
Then what we can write it? Root 3x minus root 2 into root 3x minus root 2. See, when the product of any two numbers is equal to 0, the product of any two numbers is equal to 0, any one of them, it is not required both of them equal to 0. Any one of them can be 0. So, root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0, or root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Then try to solve it, x equal to root 2 by root 3. Both are same only. So, in simplification, we can write as root 2 by 3. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So, anybody, any doubt?
Sir, can you repeat again, please?
See, 3x square we can write it as root 3x whole square. Root 3x whole square. Root 6 we can write as root 3 into root 2. Again, these two also we can write it as root 2 whole
Sir.
square. In this both, root 3x is common. Root 3x is common. When you take it out root 3x, here is left root 3x. Again multiply and check it out whether you are getting or not. And root 2. Here root 2 you take it out, root 3x minus root 2. So in this both, root 3x minus root 2 is common. So it becomes root 3x minus root 2 into root 3x minus root 2.
Yes.
So any product of any two numbers is equal to, if it is equal to 0, it is not required both of them equal to 0. So any one of them can be 0. So either this one equal to 0 or this one equal to 0. But anyhow, both are looking like similar. So x equal to root 2 by root 3 answer. Then we can write it as root over 2 by 3. Now, are you clear? Are you clear, man?
Yes, sir.
So then we could say that it's like a similar, like answer. Now, can you do it and tell me this question answer? This answer. Can you do it now? Third question. So do the question root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2, please. Are you doing, Vaibhav?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Make it fast, but don't take so much time.
Sir, which one?
First one, third one.
Sir, third one, na? Yes, sir. Oh.
Are you getting the answer? you getting the answer?
Sir, 1 minute.
Yeah, please.
Sir, x is equal to 5 by root 2 or x is equal to root minus root 2.
Okay, maybe. So let me solve this along with you. Root 2
Yes,
x
sir.
square into 5 root 2. So root
5
2
over
root 2, it is 5 into 2 x square, which is 10x square. So 10 factors will be 1 into 10 and 2 into 5. So sum of 2 and 5 only, which will be 7. So then if you apply this concept, then what you will get it, which is root 2 x square plus this 7x can be written as 5x plus 2x or 2x plus 5x. That's up to you. Okay. Then okay, 2x plus 5x. Then it is comfortable to you. Then 5 root 2, which is equal to 0. And if you see in this both, there is nothing common. But we can do root 2 x square as it is. But this 2x we can write it as root 2 into root 2 x. Am I right, ma? So root 2 into root 2, it is 2. That's the reason. Then 5x plus 5 root 2, which is equal to 0. In this both, what could be common? What could be common? Root 2x common, right? Then what is balance? Root 2x. I'm sorry. Root 2x, if you take it out, x plus root 2. Okay. In this both, 5 can be taken out common. When you take out 5, which will be x plus root 2, which is equal to 0. Are you clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then in this both, x plus root 2 is common. So please take it out, x plus root 2. When you take it out, x plus root 2, it becomes root 2 x plus 5, which is equal to 0. Already I said you, if the product of any two numbers is equal to 0, any one of them can be 0. So either x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So you take it x plus root 2 is equal to 0, or root 2 x plus 5 is equal to 0.
Root 2 0.
Then x equal to minus root 2,
Minus 2 root 2
or then x equal to minus 5 by
minus 5 by root 2.
root 2, like this. Have you got it?
Sir, corrected. Sir, mine is correct.
Okay, next. Next, one more question I'll give you. Can you do this question? Please do this question.
Yes, sir.
Completed by Vaibhav, this question?
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes, please. First, what you are supposed to do, take the LCM of 8. Then 8 to the 16 x square minus 8x plus 1, which is equal to 0. Now 8 you carry. This is 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. Got it? Got it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then we can write it as
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
4x whole square minus 2 into 4x into 1 plus 1 square. Got it, ma? Got it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then this is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write it as 4x minus 1 whole square, which is equal to 0. Then, so separately, we can write it as 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1, which is equal to 0. So either 4x minus 1 is equal to 0, like then what you can write? X equal to 1 by 4 or 1 by 4, because the roots are same, like this.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, another one. Okay. So these models you understood, I think so. Solve the problems given example 1. These questions already waited on the day itself. John and Jivanti, this and all have done it the day itself. Okay. Next. Now we'll go for next questions. Okay. Now first question, we'll take it. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. See, let us take the numbers. See, one number is x, another number is 27 minus x. Why? Because the sum should be 27. So one number is x, another number is 27 minus x. And he said product. Product is equal to 182. So you take it x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. Then x into 27, 27x minus x square is equal to 182. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Then you carry this all the terms to other side. Then because this is negative x square, that is the reason. So 0 is equal to x square minus 27x plus 182. So the equation which is x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. So multiply. So multiply first and last, you will get it 182 x square. So take the factorization. So better you can like you do like this method 182. So 2 91s. Then 7 13s. So then if you take 2 sevens are 14 and 13. 14 and 13. See 14 and 13 together minus 27. So then we can take it like this one as x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182, which is equal to 0. Got it, ma? Have you understood? Have you understood, ma? So I have done the factorization. Now in this both x I have taken. So if I take it out, x minus 14, and in this both minus 13 if I take it out, minus 13 into x minus 14, which is equal to 0. So the numbers what like x minus 14 into x minus 13 is equal to 0. See, either x minus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. Are you clear? X minus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. Then x
Yes,
equal
sir.
to 14 or x equal to 13. See, if see actually find the two numbers. So therefore the two numbers are see if you take 14, another number 27 minus x. So another number is 13. This is case 1. If you take 13, another number is 14. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So any doubt in this sum?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Next, one more question. Find two consecutive positive integers. Find two consecutive positive integers. Sum of whose squares is 365. So two consecutive positive integers. Let us take one is x, another one is x plus 1 because they're like positive only inside. So better you take it x and x plus 1. You can take x and x minus 1 also, but people have a possibility like a positive, or why you are taking x minus 1. Sometimes you may feel difficulty to solve this one. Okay, then confused also. Better you take one is x, another one is x plus 1. And the condition is given the sum of whose squares. So x whole square plus x plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 365. Vaibhav, get ready. I'm going to give you quadratic equation. You are supposed to solve it. Okay, deal. Then x square, this is x plus 1 whole square. What you can write? X square plus 2x plus 1, which is equal to 365. Then this is x square, 2x square, then plus 2x, then 1 minus 365, which is 364, which is equal to 0. Then here, two table we can take it out and cancel on the both sides. So that x square plus x minus 182, which is equal to 0. Now, can you do the splitting middle terms and tell me the answer? Vaibhav, can you do that? So when you multiply, we will get it minus 182.
Yes, sir.
Can you solve it, please? Did you get the answer?
Sir, 13 and 14.
Yes, 13 and 14. Previous sum we have done it same way. Yeah. What do you get it? X square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. Then in this both, starting x you can take it out. X into x plus 14, and again minus 13 if you take it x plus 14. So then we can take the values x plus 14 into x minus 13, which is equal to 0. So then what we can write it? Either x plus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. Then what you can write? X equal to minus 14 and x equal to 13. This is rejected. Why it is rejected? Why it is rejected? Because the question they are asking positive integers. Got it? X should be positive. So this is rejected. Then x equal to 13. So one is x is 13, the other number is 14. Am I right now? Therefore, the numbers are 13 and 14. Got it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One second. Be on the line. Okay. Next question. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. Okay, right triangle. First, we need to take the right triangle. Let us take the right angle triangle. Okay, take this. So The vertices are A, B, C. That's up to you. Whatever you are taking, A, B, C, P, Q, R, whatever you can take it. X, Y, Z also. The altitude in the sense which makes 90 degrees with the base is called altitude. So this is altitude. So altitude 7 centimeter less than its base. So this is base. So base, let's suppose this is X centimeter. Altitude will be half a right triangle 7 centimeter less than its base. So 7 centimeter less than its base. So we'll take it as this is X minus 1. This is called hypotenuse. This is 13 centimeter. So then what concept we can apply? Can we apply Pythagoras theorem?
Yes, sir.
So Pythagoras theorem, what it says that hypotenuse square equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Am I right, ma'am? Which is 13 square is equal to one side is x whole square, another side is x minus 7 whole square. Okay, get ready. Now one more equation I'll give you. You have to suppose to solve it. 169 x square, then x square minus 14x plus 49. Then this is 2x square minus 14x. Here is 0 because 169 I'm carrying the side. So 49 minus 169. And if you simplify 2x square minus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. Then two table if you divide x square minus 7x minus 60 which is equal to 0. Can you split and tell me what are the values? Can you split and tell me? Are you doing Vaibhav?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. Did you get the answer? Still you did not get it.
Sir, minus 5 seem.
Minus 5 and 12, 12 and minus 1. What
No,
is
sir,
it?
no, sir. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5.
X
Sir,
square
5.
minus 12x plus 5x minus 60. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
So then in this both what is common? X is common. So x minus 12. In this both what is common? 5 is common. So x minus 12 which is equal to 0. So in this both what is common? X minus 12 is common into x plus 5 is equal to 0. Got it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then we can take it like x minus 12 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then what I can write? X equal to 12 or x equal to minus 5. This is neglected. Why?
Yes, sir.
Why it is neglected? This is neglected. Why? Why, ma?
Sir,
Why it is neglected?
because angle will not be in minus.
Not angle. This is side.
So, centimeter
Side.
side.
Side cannot be negative. Okay. So x is 12. What about the other side? 5 centimeter, right? Because 12 minus 7. Are you clear? So the sides are one is 12 and another is 5 centimeters. Okay. And one more question. I hope so. This is the last question for this today's session. Okay. Then a cottage industry produces certain number of pottery articles in a day. Certain number of articles in a like we don't know how many articles they are producing. Let us think of this as X. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of the production of each article each article was 3 more than. So the cost, what is it? Cost is 3 more than twice the number of articles, twice the number. So 3 more than twice the number. So 3 more than twice. The total cost of the production was 90. So total cost, which is equal to rupees 90. So total cost, how they calculated?
Yes,
See
sir.
how they calculated. See number of toys or number of pottery articles into cost, each cost, which is equal to 90. So number of pottery articles, number of pottery, which is x into 2x plus 3, which is equal to 90. Am I right, ma? So then multiply 2x square plus 3x. Then 90 also carry this side. So minus 90 is equal to 0. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
E more than twice that. So can you simplify this one and tell me the values of x and y? So
Yes, sir.
values of x. Let's put in terms. Solve it. So when you multiply, it is minus 180, which is 2 into 90. So tell me. You can take it 180 like this, 290 like this. You can go.
Sir, x is equal to 6.
See, when you split up, then what you'll get it? 2x square. Then this is 15x minus 12x minus
Yes,
10.
sir.
Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then in this both, what is common? X can common. So 2x plus 5. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
In this both, what is common?
Sir,
Minus 6.
minus 6.
Right? So then 2x, this is 15. Sorry, this is 15 plus 15. Am I right, ma? Then
Yes, sir.
overall, x minus 6 into 2x plus 15. See, I said on the top itself, like null factor law, what do you say? X minus 6 equal to 0 or 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. Then x equal to 6 or x equal to minus 15 by 2. See, first of all, minus cannot be possible. And next one, 15 by 2. 15 by 2, it is 7.5. So the number of articles, how many produced? Then you cannot say that I produced 1.3. I cannot say that 7.5 like that. So this is neglected. Got it? Because the number of articles
Yes,
cannot be.
sir.
Then x equal to 6. So what is x stands for? What is x stands for, man? What do you have taken? X stands for certain number of articles. So
Yes, sir.
number of articles on a particular day. On a particular day. Then what is asking actually? Find the number of articles produced and cost of each article. So he said cost. So 3 plus 2 into 6. 3 6 are 12, 12 3 are, sorry, 3 6 are 12, 12 3, 15. Got it, ma? So how many articles? 15 articles. Are you understanding? Vaibhav, have you understood? Okay. Now, see, this is actually that second exercise completed. Is anything? Find the dimensions of the prayer hall discussed in the section 4.1. We have discussed this question also, length and breadth. This and all we have discussed that day itself. Okay. See, with this problem, actually, I'm going to close today's section. See, in this class, actually, we have learned it. Check whether like the given expressions are equal, the given equations, whether they are in like a quadratic equations or not. That we have done it. So what we have done it in that, we are trying to simplify that, and we are trying to conclude that one if it contains term of x square, and it should be the x square is the highest term. So there is no other term more than that x square, like x cube, x power 5, like that should not be there. And x square below, if it is there, not there, also not a matter. But x square term compulsory should be existed, and more than x square term should not be existed. So that is called as quadratic equation. And also we have seen that splitting middle term, that is called like a factorization method. We have done it. Okay, and on this basis, then we have taken some word problems. That means like application type of questions. We have seen that. Okay, in the next classes we are going to learn further different methods, graphical method and factors like this one quadratic formula method, and some more application questions we are going to learn it. Okay,
Yes.
so with this question I'm going to stop it. Thank you. Thank you.